Okay, so you should have gotten grades and feedback for the Adlerian discussion boards. And everybody did a great job on the exercise for birth order. And I liked all your stories and some of your observations. Um, I think the only comment that I made on some of yours was that remember, it's not just the exercise. I want to hear what you thought about the techniques, things I shared in the lecture, like Gemeinschaft some of the concepts like inferiority, encouragement, things like that, in addition to the exercise. Um, but I think everybody did pretty well on that. Um, the next thing I want to do is kind of look at our syllabus and see if we have any updates or things coming up. So I opened up the D2L for this next week. It's on Carl Rogers, which is who we're going to be talking about tonight. And you'll notice that now there's a lot more information on the weekly D2L course shell. And that is because Carl Rogers is in the modern era, and we have more videos of interviews with him, of sessions with him and clients. And so there's more supplemental material available for you. So just looking at this week, the most important video on there is going to be the Gloria tapes. And so they started having some well-known psychologists work with Gloria. So you're going to see this week, you're going to see Carl Rogers, you're going to see Fritz Perls with Gestalt, you're going to see Ellis with CBT, REBT, and those three individuals worked with Gloria. Each one got to a similar place with Gloria in a different way. So definitely watch that. I also put on a two-part video with Carl Rogers, an interview with him. So every now and then the videos with on demand may not work. That's okay. You can usually also find the Gloria tapes on YouTube if it doesn't work from the library. But I did test it and it works now, at least for me. But if it doesn't, don't worry about it. Look it up on YouTube and you should be able to find it. The links for library videos are a little glitchy because we've turned 3 universities into 1 university, and they changed all of the online video links. But I did go through them all. There are also quite a few student presentations from previous times, but we're also going to watch one tonight from this class. And then the discussion board, remember, you have the main question basically to react to the Gloria tapes, and I ask you some questions about that. But also, please write just as much about the book, the readings, the videos, and lectures. So, okay, so it should be about 50-50. Gloria tape 50%, books, readings, lectures, things like that, 50%. So, all right, let's see. I also want to look and see when our first big assignment is. Gestalt. Glasser. Okay, so I'm guessing week 5. So we're gonna go over Rogers tonight. We're gonna go over Fritz Perls next week. We're gonna go over Glasser week 5, and that's when we're going to hand out exam 2. Let's see. And yeah, so I think that those are the 3 theories that I'll probably include on it's exam 2, but it's your first exam. We didn't have exam 1. So probably Rogers, Gestalt, and Perls, and Glasser. See if Glasser is 8. So we got Carl Rogers, Glasser, yeah, Perls and Glasser. So Rogers, Perls, and Glasser. Those are the 3. And just to talk a little bit about, just so you'll know what to expect. Basically, all of my exams are the same exam. So I'm going to give you the same case study for every exam, and you're just going to apply each of the theories to that same case study. And so the reason I do that is I'd like you to be able to compare and contrast in your own minds how different theories can be applied to the same case in a different way. And all of them will provide some help to the client. So that's our goal. And just so you kind of know what to expect, they're all open book, open notes, open D2L lectures, whatever you like. And we'll go over them in detail the night I hand them out. You'll have a week to do them at least. But they are a lot of work. So, all right. But any questions about the semester, about any of the theories we've covered, about anything at all? All right. And then after class, if anybody's presenting on a theory next week, you can stay after and run your ideas by me, ask me any questions about your presentation, and I will do my best to help you out.